In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find drafts in Sprout Social. Whether you're working to refine your social media strategy or simply trying to keep track of your upcoming posts, knowing how to locate and manage your drafts is a crucial skill. So, let's dive into it. First things first, you'll want to head over to the publishing section within Sprout Social. To do this, start by logging into your Sprout Social account. Once you're in, look for the main menu where you'll see the option labeled Publishing. Go ahead and click on that. The Publishing section in Sprout Social is your central hub for all things related to posting and scheduling your content. It's designed to make the process as seamless as possible, whether you're dealing with immediate posts or planning your strategy weeks in advance. Now that you're in the Publishing section, turn your attention to the left-hand navigation panel. Here, you'll find various options related to content management. One of these options is Drafts. Select Drafts to access all the posts that you've saved but haven't yet published. Drafts can be particularly useful when you're brainstorming ideas or need some extra time to polish a post before it goes live. Once you're in the Drafts tab, you'll see a collection of all your unsent posts. This list can sometimes get pretty long, especially if your team has been busy creating content. To help you find exactly what you're looking for, Sprout Social offers a handy filtering feature. If there's a high volume of drafts, applying a filter can be incredibly helpful. You can narrow down the drafts by profile, tag, author, or type. For instance, if you want to locate drafts prepared by a specific team member or meant for a particular campaign, these filters will streamline your search. Now, what if you need to edit or manage a draft? No worries, this is straightforward. As you browse through your drafts list, you'll notice a pencil icon next to each message. This pencil icon allows you to make edits to an existing draft. By clicking on it, you open the draft for editing. Here, you have the option to tweak the content to your liking, save any changes you make, or even schedule it for future posting. Additionally, if you plan to use Sprout Social's scheduling capabilities to automate your posts, you can move your draft to the Sprout queue. This flexibility ensures that your content calendar remains organized and that your posts are timely and relevant. By understanding how to effectively navigate and manage your drafts in Sprout Social, you gain greater control over your social media strategy and content workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you make the most of Sprout Social's drafting features.